Hello everyone, welcome back to ShawCode, and we have just reached 10,000 subscribers. And honestly, that is just like crazy to me. I never thought that we'd actually get to this point when I made my first upload back at the start of 2020. But here we are. Sorry I haven't got a face cam at the moment, but I'm not able to have it on today. And now since we've reached 10,000 subscribers, I thought that I'd do a Q&A in the next video. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, or they don't have to be about or related to programming, they can be about absolutely anything, then you can leave them in the comments below, or you can join my Discord server and ask them over there. And I know I haven't made an upload in a very long time, but I've just finished my exams, which have been taking up like all my time recently. But now I'm on the summer holidays for like 10 weeks, which is pretty crazy. So I'll be uploading a lot more then, hopefully. So if you could suggest any other tutorials that you'd like to see from me, because at the moment I'm not really sure on what videos to make. But other than that, thanks for watching and thanks for 10,000 subscribers. Goodbye.